guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys a tutorial how to burp. So first you need a cup and you need a drink like a drink. And to drink it, you gotta make sure your drink doesn't go through your throat, and then you gotta talk loudly like this. See, that's how you do it. So you need cup, drink, and you drink it, and then
you're probably swallowing air is what you're doing, you think?
That's what you do it. You swallow the air and then you let it out. And then it's more easier with a cup. Like that. Like that. So you don't need like any food, you just need a drink to do a burp tutorial.
But you're eating a cookie anyway?
Yeah, because I'm a little hungry. So, if you want to burp, just hit that subscribe button, comment down below if you like this video, and turn notifications on. And then if you have the notifications on, then put a comment that says the notifications are on. Okay, so that was just a little tutorial how to burp. See you guys, bye.
You gonna burp one more time?